Hi, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be creating this fall inspired, very grungy, edgy sort of a makeup look. So for my very first fall inspired look, I just wanted to create something a little more different, which I don't go for usually. So if you guys know, I mostly create very subtle, toned down, soft glam kind of looks. But today I just wanted to create something a little more different, and I just love monochromatic looks. So if you guys want to know how I created this particular look, then please keep on watching. So first I took the Smashbox Vitamin Glow Primer. So this is a really good primer to add some glow, and also it makes your skin look very smooth and your foundation glide on very easily. Next I took this Maybelline's Age Divine Concealer, and this is in the shade Caramel. So I'm using it on the areas where I have imperfections. As you all can see, my skin has just flared up and it looks so bad right now because recently I applied a makeup and I slept off without taking it off, and I woke up with really bad skin. Don't be lazy like me, please don't do that. But anyways, I absolutely love this concealer very much. It has really good coverage and also looks very natural on the skin. And next, to highlight my face, I'm using the Huda Beauty's 4 Filter Concealer, and this in the shade Toasted Almond. Again, I absolutely love this concealer too. It is sort of like a medium to buildable full coverage concealer, and I'm using the same beauty sponge to blend everything out. For my bronzer today, I took the Makeup Revolution's Super Dewy Bronzer, and this in the shade Dark to Deep. So this has become my recent favorite because it almost feels like a tint, and also the shade is perfect. It's neither too warm nor is too cool. It's right in between. I think it looks great on my skin tone. So next, for my blush, I took this MAC Glow Play blush, and it's such a pretty, like a muted down pink shade, and the formula is just so beautiful. And next I took the e.l.f. Halo Glow powder, and this is such a beautiful powder, especially if you have dry skin. I highly recommend it. It's amazing. It sets your makeup in place, but at the same time it does not make your skin very dry. It doesn't take the shine away, and it's so comfortable under your eyes. So absolutely love this product. So next I took this Natasha Denona's bronze palette. It has such beautiful warm tone shades. First, taking this warm reddish brown shade, I'm applied it all over my eyelids and also on my lower lash line. And then I took this warm brown shade from the palette and just used it to blend them together, like to mesh them together and add a nice transition. And then in my crease, I took this muted down peachy orange shade and I just used it all over my crease to blend everything out. Next, to add some smokiness to my eyes, I took the PAC Long Lasting Kohl Kajal in the shade Coffee Brown and tightlined both my upper and lower lash line. And I also use it on my eyelids, just smudged it around to add a little bit of that smokiness. For my brow, I'm using the Blue Heaven Sculpt and Set Brow Gel in the shade Brown. Next, I took the MAC's Give Me Sun Bronzer to add some warmth on my face. I did not like this brush because the bristles were shedding all over my face. If you can see that white hair kind on my face, it's because of that. And lastly, to set my face, I took this really cute MAC's Fix Plus and I'm just going to spritz all over my face to set my makeup. For my lips, I'm first using this lip liner from Makeup Revolution. It's such a pretty, like a dark vampy brown color. And yeah, I'm just defining my lip line. And then I took the MAC Matte in Heaven liquid lipstick in the shade Choco Mocha. This is such a pretty, like a warm rusty brown shade. I think it just goes so well with today's eye look. So absolutely stunning. In general, I love the shade so much. So yeah guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you all enjoyed. If you did, then please take a moment to like the video, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit on the notification bell. I'll catch you all next time with another interesting one. Until then, you all know the drill. Keep slaying. Bye guys.